Good morning. You know what they say, there's no place like the library garden. You may have noticed our new friend. This is Jeremy, the garden gnome. Hopefully Jeremy brings us good luck, because boy, do we need it. It's chilly here this morning in the library garden. It really feels like fall. I'm hoping that this spell of dry weather we've got coming up will help us dry out these beans so that we can save them, ripen some tomatoes, finish the popcorn. Let's go look at the squash. Despite a little bit of powdery mildew, the squash have done really well. There's way more than I thought. Let me find you a good one to look at. Oh, Jeremy, weren't you just over there? Never mind. Here's a good one. Some of you might remember this is our Gill Brothers Golden Pippin squash from the famous Gill Brothers Seed Company of Portland, Oregon. Really good producer, even under a short season. We planted these late and we've got loads. I've already been collecting some flower seeds. I've been cutting heads of calendula, some of the scabiosa. You can snip those. When they start to turn brown and easily break apart, I like to put them in a brown paper bag or a mesh sack to just make sure they really get dry, and then you can store them in a cool, dry place until next year. Nasturtium seeds are quite fun. They're really big before they dry down. You can pluck them off the plant or just pick them up on the ground around. There's one here, and one here. You can collect these, or you can always let them lie where they fall and they'll sprout. Honestly, you're probably going to get a little bit of that either way. Thank you for joining us again in the library garden. As you can see, I'm no longer in the library garden, but I wanted to pop over to our drive-thru lane just off Maple Street and talk to you a little bit about our drive-thru service. During drive-thru hours, you'll pull off Maple, come down this lane. Auditorium doors will be open with library staff ready to assist you. You don't even have to get out of your car. When you're ready to return material, you can bring it to our outdoor drop just down at the end of the lane. It's open for you 24 hours a day, so you can return whenever you're ready. Don't forget, October 1st is the deadline to request your seeds, courtesy of the Friends of the Longview Public Library. Seeds will be back in spring with a whole slate of new offerings. If you have happened to save seed from our Easy Save seeds, we're going to be accepting those soon. More details to come. I'm Austin Brigden. This is Jeremy. We've got to grow, but we'll seed you later in the Longview Library Garden.